The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for Rockingham County in north-central North Carolina until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Harrison's Crossroads, or about 4 miles northeast of Wentworth, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Another storm capable of producing a tornado was near Danbury. Locations impacted include Harrison's Crossroads, Oregon Hill, Eden, Draper, Mayfield. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Please relay severe weather reports to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-866-215-4324.